Question example. Angle around a point is 360 degrees. Here we have our question. In the figure above, measure of x is equal to how many degrees? So here in this question, we have to find the measure of this angle x. So let us think of approaches which we can use in solving this question and finding the value of x. So one point we can make use of here is that we know that angle around a point is 360 degrees. So if I consider O as my point here, this complete angle will be 360 degrees. If somehow we can find this angle, the angle shown in green here, and subtract this angle from 360 degrees, then we'll be in a position to find the value of x. So for solving this question, we should try to find the value of this angle here. For finding the value of this angle, what we can do here is, we can split this angle here. So let's try to split this angle POR. We can do this by drawing a line through O parallel to QR. So this we can do. Now what will happen? If we draw a parallel line here, we don't reach anywhere. So if we draw a parallel line here, then we reach a roadblock. So this is not the right way of doing this. Let's try something else. So we can split this angle also by joining QO. So if I join QO, can we do something here? Well, if I join QO, then we can always make use of angle sum property for these two triangles. This seems to be a good approach. Let's move forward on this. So for solving this question, first we will perform a construction and join QO. Having performed the construction, now we intend to use the angle sum property of a triangle. So let's first consider this triangle, that is our triangle QOP. In triangle QOP, we will apply the angle sum property here, and for angle sum property, we should have the measure of all the angles. So here, if we suppose that this angle here, only this part is Z, and the whole angle is 45, then this part here will become 45 degrees minus Z. So now we are in a position to apply the angle sum property in triangle QOP. So by angle sum property in triangle QOP, we will have the angles of triangle QOP are, as we have supposed this is our angle Z, plus this angle here is QPO, that is 45 degrees, plus our one of the angles here which we have split, this is angle QOP. So this is angle QOP, this is equal to 180 degrees. Call this as first. Now let's take the other triangle, which is triangle QOR. In this triangle also we will apply the angle sum property of a triangle, and let's see what are the angles here. So first angle is 45 degrees minus Z, that is this angle which is OQR. So writing this 45 degree minus Z. Then the second angle is 60 degrees. So 60 degrees plus this is the angle which we have obtained by splitting the angle. So this is angle QOR. So angle QOR is, the sum of these is 180 degrees. Call this as second. Now here we have a very interesting thing in equations 1 and 2. If we look at the LHSs of 1 and 2, here we have plus Z and here we have minus Z. So we can very easily eliminate plus Z and minus Z if we add 1 and 2. So that is the next step we'll do. We'll add 1 and 2. So on adding 1 and 2, first we will add the LHSs. So here adding the LHS, we'll have z plus 45 degrees plus angle QOP plus 45 degrees minus z plus 60 degrees plus angle QOR is equal to, now adding the RHSs, so here we will have 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. So as stated earlier, we can cancel plus z and minus z, and here we will have, so this will be angle QOP plus angle QOR plus 45 degrees plus 45 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So very easily from this equation we can obtain the sum of angle QOP, that means this angle, plus angle QOR, that means this angle, which will make the whole angle POR. So proceeding with this equation, this implies if we add the two, we'll get angle POR. So this becomes angle POR plus 45 is 90, 90 plus 60 is 150 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So this implies angle POR is equal to 360 degrees minus 150 degrees. So this implies angle POR is equal to 210 degrees. So this angle we have found out, this is 210 degrees. So very easily from here we can find the value of x. So this implies x will be equal to, this complete angle is 360 degrees. So from 360 degrees we will subtract 210 degrees. This implies x is equal to 150 degrees. So that is what we had to find in this question, the value of x, and that is 150 degrees.